right? On this day, May 4th, right? Jumped in the shop, jumping into this trade today. Shop, my first price target is 1300. If it breaks through 1300, it could go to 1400. All right. So I bought 20 shares of shop at $1,092. All right. So let's look at this chart when I posted it. Here it fell down to the 200-day moving average. It was selling off, selling off. So I jumped in, right? Jumped in at 1,092 shares. First price target was here at 1,300. All right. So let's go check this out. Boom. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? So what we got is shops at $1,453, right? RSI is now hot. All right, here's the RSI here. You see it's hot. So I expect this to pull back a little bit, right? When the RSI goes hot, the stock pulls back, all right? Even if it does it 9 times out of 10, we're going to spare ourselves the embarrassment when it doesn't, all right? So we can expect pullbacks when the stock is overbought. All right, let's see. This thing is tripping. All right, see right here, this first one, the RSI is hot. Look what happens to the price of the stock. It falls. RSI is hot here. What happens to the stock? It falls. Oh, damn, what happened? Weird ass app. Anyway, back to business. RSI is hot here. Stock falls. RSI is hot here. Stock falls. RSI is hot here. We're going to take our profits because remember, we got in at 1,092. We got in here and it ran up, right? Now we're going to take our profits, all right? Because we know what's coming next. Look at the RSI. Boom. We know what's coming next. RSI was hot. It fell, all right? When these stocks fall at the sky, we're going to walk away with our profits. We are going to walk away with our profits. So we're buying here. All right, look. The histogram starts ticking upwards. The MACD crosses over. And then the price starts breaking out, right? The price starts closing above the previous day. Here it closes above the previous day. Here it closes above previous day. Here it closes above the previous days. Clearly on a breakout. So we're in, all right? So I just posted this maybe about 30 minutes ago. I'm selling 1/3 of my shop position. The RSI is hot, 32% return on the trade, plus $7,415. All right, here was my position. I bought 20 shares. You see over here? Look over here to the right. I bought 20 shares for $1,092, right, on the 4th of May. So now my 20 shares are now worth $28,000, $28,997. All right, so I have a gain of $7,100, 32% gain. So what I did was I sold off 1/3 of my position, right? I sold off 7 shares, and I'm going to let the rest of them run. So I'm anticipating a pullback. I know that this stock is going to pull back, or it's likely to pull back. It's most probable to pull back. So I'm going to sell off 1/3 to lock in some of that profit. But this is just how we created some money, right? Look at the gain. Now we're going to take that and roll it into the next trade that's at the bottom. We don't want to be buying up here, right? Anybody buying up here, just that's on them. I don't got nothing to say about them. They tripping. That's on them, right? But we're gonna sell to them. All right. So we're selling to any crazies that want to buy it up here for sure. Here goes some shares for you. Hold that, little buddy. All right. So now we're out of shop. Now here's something I want you guys to pay attention to. we did this on May 4th, right? On May 4th, and it's June 17th now. All right. May 4th. This is when I posted it, which means I bought the first thing in the morning. All right. No, it was here. Boom. So on May 4th, this is when we bought. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks and 2 days, right? It took 6 weeks to play out. All right. We're not day trading. We're not trying to get in, get out the same day. We're not trying to sell our position if it doesn't move in a week. That took 6 weeks to pay out. But what else was I going to do with the money? Let it sit in my savings account? You crazy. All right. So that took 6 weeks to play out. We put some money away. We put into a trade and we let it play out. We need the signals to buy. All right. We need the signals to buy. We get the signals to buy. We buy and then we wait it out. We're playing a game of probability. All right. We're playing a game of probability. It's most probable that